you. So today we are going to discuss about lab activity where we try to observe what are the types of images are formed with the help of a concave mirror and the distances of object when object is placed at certain distance where the image will be formed. All these kinds of image and object distances will be measured with the help of this lab activity which we are going to discuss now. So, for any lab activity, first of all, we must accumulate what are the things which are useful to carry out that particular activity. Activity చేయడానికి మనకి ఏమేమి కావాలో అవన్నీ ఫస్ట్ అక్యుములేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. See, try to follow. I'm making it very simple. First దీనికి ఒక V shape stand. V shape stand అంటే see. In which we can see it's a kind of stand in which we can make a concave mirror. See, concave mirror will be sorry. Let me write properly. So a concave mirror would be taken like this in a V-shaped stand and it is placed on a surface. ఒక concave mirror ఒక V-shaped stand తీసుకొని దాని లోపల ఏం చేద్దాం ఒక concave mirror ని పెడతాం. అంటే వెనకాల సైడ్ మొత్తం షేడెడ్ ఉంటుంది. This side there will be mirror where we carry out this activity. Upon this floor, where you have put this V-shaped stand. V-shaped stand అంటే V-shaped ఉంటుంది. దాని లోపల మనం మిర్రర్ ని ప్లేస్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి దాన్ని V-shaped stand అంటారు. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేద్దాం ఒక 1 meter scale ని అదే we shall try to put a 1 meter scale over here which has markings upon it up to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters, 0 to 100 centimeters. There will be marking upon that 1 meter scale. 1 meter is nothing but 100 centimeters. So in this lab activity, first of all, we have taken a V-shaped stand and we have put a concave mirror in it. And upon this, this V-shaped stand, we have arranged one 1 meter scale. And in between, somewhere, you try to adjust you try to put one candle. See, the candle itself is a source. From this source itself, the light rays will start passing. ఈ candle నుంచి light rays వెళ్ళడం స్టార్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఈ light rays వెళ్ళి దీని మీద పడుతుంటాయి. So, where the image would be formed of this particular flame. ఈ flame యొక్క image ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుందో చూడడమే ఈ యాక్టివిటీ. అంటే మనకు దీని ఫోకల్ లెంత్ ఏంటో తెలియదు. దీని what we say center of curvature ఏంటో తెలియదు. Radius of curvature ఏంటో తెలియదు. So we don't know anything about this curved mirror, but we are carrying out this particular activity. We shall try to see how exactly we can calculate. First of all, ఇట్లా candle arrange చేద్దాం. So initially మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నా ఒక స్టాండ్ V-shaped stand తీసుకోవాలి, 1 mirror and a 100 centimeter scale, that is 1 meter scale. So దీంట్లో ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం we have put a candle. So దీంట్లో ఏం ఏంటంటే we are going to see what kind of images are formed and the distances of image and object. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దామంటే just take a paper, ఒక screen arrange చేయమంటారు. That screen is nothing but a paper, ఒక white sheet ని arrange చేసుకోండి. Then what you do is you place somewhere and note down. You will have a table over here. We have a table arrange చేసుకోవాలి. Try to write a table. Table అంటే ఏంటి? Where the object is placed. ఏ సెంటీమీటర్ దగ్గర ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని ప్లేస్ చేస్తున్నాం. So you will have object distance. And next, where the image is formed. That is also to be noted. Image ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అయిందో కూడా నోట్ చేసుకోవాలా. Image note చేసుకోండి. And next, in that enlarged or diminished అంటే size of the image, nature of the image కూడా మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. We are going to observe the nature of the image also. So here image object distance రాస్తున్నాం, image distance రాసుకుంటున్నాం, enlarged diminished రాసుకుంటున్నాం, inverted or erected. So all these we are going to observe through this activity. As an object ekkada pedte image ekkada vastundi, all this we are going to observe. So you see, first of all we are going to arrange this candle at one place. Ikkada arrange chestunnamu. Let us suppose 60 centimeters దగ్గర arrange chestunnamu. Let us suppose, I am supposing, I don't know the mirror radius of curvature. Okay, 60 centimeters దగ్గర we have arranged, and we started putting the paper different positions to paper ni pettukuntu raavali. So the rays goes like this. See, ikkada nunchi rays elta untayi, and you have arranged a paper in between. మధ్యలో ఒక పేపర్ అరేంజ్ చేయాలి అట్లా. So yeah, so you try to arrange a sheet in between. You can light rays వెళ్తా ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. Light rays it will, the light rays would form a image over here. ఈ particular point దగ్గర all the reflected rays would meet, and you can see a image that might be a inverted image. మనకి see, the radius of curvature తెలియదు, దాని I mean what we say focal length also we don't know the focal length also. I mean sorry we know we have taken so focal length, the radius of curvature, sorry, I mean I have made a mistake. These two are known to us. Let us suppose the radius of curvature is 60 centimeters. So you try to arrange this particular screen at different positions such that you will try, I mean whenever you have kept the screen nearby the candle దగ్గర పెట్టినప్పుడు you can see a sharp image. ఎందుకు? Because you have placed the candle at 60 centimeters. నీకు radius of curvature తెలుసు, focal length తెలుసు. Radius of curvature you know it as 60 centimeters, and you have arranged the object at 60 centimeters position. 60 centimeters position దగ్గరనే object పెట్టు. When you arrange this object at 60 centimeter position, you can see a sharp image which is formed upon the screen, which is inverted, same size, flame size ఎంత ఉందో అంతే ఆల్మోస్ట్ అదే ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ అవుతుందన్న మనకి. You can see a flame kind of image upon this screen. ఇక్కడ you can see a image of this particular flame. ఈ flame ని ఇక్కడ స్క్రీన్ పెట్టినప్పుడు ఇదే ఇమేజ్ ఇక్కడ you can see in an inverted position of same size, where image distance would also be 60 cm. Exact గా candle ఎక్కడ ఉందో అక్కడే image form అవుతది. When if you start moving this, ఇక్కడ పెడదాం ఫస్ట్ స్క్రీన్ ని somewhere over here పెడదాం, and you start moving the screen towards the candle, and whenever you reach nearby the candle you can see there is a sharp image formed upon the screen. Why? Because the radius of curvature is 60 centimeters, and we already know that whenever the object is placed at radius of curvature, then obviously the image will also be formed at radius of curvature. What we shall do is we shall take this candle bit away, కొంచెం దూరం తీసుకోపోదాం. This candle away from the radius of curvature. Radius of curvature కొంచెం దూరంగా తీసుకోపోదాం. We shall take this candle bit away from the radius of curvature, that is 80 centimeters. Now you see the image would be formed somewhere between radius of curvature and the focal length. Focal length is 30 centimeters. Half of the radius of curvature is the focal length. So ఈ focal length కి radius of curvature కి మధ్యలో image form అవుతుంది. Like that you can find out the images, where the images are getting formed at different positions. This is the activity. 60 centimeters దగ్గర పెట్టినప్పుడు center of curvature దగ్గర పెట్టినప్పుడు center of curvature దగ్గరనే ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. Beyond center of curvature, that is 80 centimeters దగ్గర పెట్టినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? It forms the image between F and C, that might be between 30 and 60, let it be like 50 centimeters or 45 centimeters. మధ్యలో ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. So like that you can try to find out the nature of the image through this activity. Screen ni జరుపుతూ వెళ్ళాలి నాన్న. First of all, object distance మీకు తెలిసిపోతుంది, and wherever the screen is kept, wherever the sharp image is obtained, that is considered to be image distance, and you know whether it is inverted or erected, and you know whether it is enlarged or diminished. You know the nature of the images, and it is given in your textbook as a table. Try to follow that. And this is all for today. I am concluding the reflection of light at curved surfaces. Next we shall discuss some other chapter. Bye bye.